This is grade 4, module 3, lesson 14, and the objective in this lesson is to solve division word problems with remainders. So we're going to look at question number 3, and I'm going to show you two different ways to solve this problem. It says Miss Rochelle wants to put her 29 students into groups of 6. How many groups of 6 can she make? If she puts any remaining students into a smaller group, how many students will be in that group? So let's do some target sentences. And those read, she can make blank groups of 6, and there will be blank students in the smaller group. Okay, so what the students can do to solve this problem is, I know that I have 29 students and I'm putting in groups of 6. So I can do an array, so I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then continue counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 6, so that answers one question. And I have 5 students in that last group, so I don't have enough to make another group of 6, so there'll be 5 students remaining. Okay, so I'm going to show you using a tape diagram how you can do this problem as well, because sometimes the number of dots becomes a lot. So I know that there's 29 students altogether, and I'm putting them in groups of 6. So let's see, so if I write out, if I skip count by 6, I have 6, 12, 18, 24, and then the next one would be 30, but that's too many. So I'm stopping at 24. So I have 6, dot, 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 and then up to 24, I know that I'm going to have 5 remaining, because remainder, because I have 29 altogether. If I do 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, then I have 5 remaining to give me the total of 29. Okay, so for this question, I do believe that using my array or using the dots would be easier, but let's take a look at question number 5. Okay, just moving that up. It's Elisa has 43 toy soldiers. She lines them up in rows of 5 to fight imaginary zombies. How many of these rows can she make? After making as many rows of 5 as she can, she puts the remaining soldiers in the last row. How many soldiers are in that row? Okay, so let's do some target sentence. We're going to need 2 of them because there's 2 questions here that we have to answer. Okay, so the target sentences read, she makes blank rows of 5, and she has blank soldiers in the last row. So I have my tape, and that is 43 toy soldiers, and she's making groups of 5. Okay, so just counting by 5s, I can write them down to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and the next one would be 45, but we don't have 45, we only have 43. So I'm going to do this, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then my remainder, the difference between 40 and 43, is 3. So this right here is the remainder. So how many groups could she make? Let's see, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she makes 8 rows of 5. And then how many soldiers are in the last row? Well, that's going to be the remainder, because that's what was left over. And there's 3, so the 3 is the remainder, so that's going to be 3 soldiers that she has in the last row.